How to remove limit on Instagram. First, just close the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure it's completely shut down. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Play Store if you're on Android. Look for the Instagram app and see if there's an update available. If there is, just tap on the update button to get the latest version. Once you've updated the app, or if it's already up to date, open Instagram again on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines to open up the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Help and tap on it. Then, tap on Account Status to see if there are any issues with your account. If everything looks fine with your account status, go back to the previous screen and tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem without shaking. Tap on Don't Include and continue. Now, you'll need to describe the problem you're having. Keep it simple and just explain that you're having trouble following, sharing, or commenting, and mention the error message you're seeing. If you can, take a screenshot of the error message and attach it. Then, tap on Send to submit the report. Now, all you have to do is wait. Instagram usually gets back to you within 24 hours with a response. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.